Hi, crafty friends. Melissa Minor here. Thanks so much for joining me on my YouTube channel. Today I'm unboxing the February My Creative Scrapbook main kit. I love these kits so much. I will leave a link down below in the description box if you're interested in joining, and be sure to leave my name, Melissa Minor, in the comments when you subscribe. All right, let's take a look at everything that you receive in the kit. I love the kit this month. I love these bright colors and this collection. So the first item that we receive here are the Simple Stories floral bits for the Take Note collection. I love floral bits. I can never have enough florals. And these are just really pretty. I like how there's different sizes in here. There's a few little black and white ones sprinkled in. I won't flip through all of these, but I just kind of wanted to give you an idea of what comes in the floral bits. Super pretty. All right, I'm going to set this aside, and now we're going to look at the next item that's in our kit this month. And this is the Simple Stories Bits and Pieces from the Take Note collection. And there's lots of pieces in here. It says there's 57 cardstock die cut ephemera bits and pieces. So right away here I can see like a pen or a pencil, paper clip. We've got a butterfly. There's some hearts. There's some more florals. There's just such a good variety in here. I feel like this Take Note collection is like for your everyday moments, which I'm really excited because I need to scrapbook those everyday moments more. There's some little postage stamps. Let's see here, a clipboard, a typewriter, a camera. I love cameras. And then I see these banners. There's a couple banners in here. There's one that says hello, life captured, an arrow, smile, some hearts, just super cute stuff. This says happy, and then one that says today's the day. So we get all of that, the whole package. Plus, every month included in your kit is a pre-cut cut file. So this time it's a camera, and you can always go on the My Creative Scrapbook website and use your code that's included in your kit, and you have access to every cut file that they've ever had. So that's nice. I like this stencil. This is called the Hearts and Stitches stencil from Simple Stories. That'll be fun to make some Valentines with. And then we have the cardstock, or excuse me, these are the chipboard stickers. There's 28 stickers on here. And I see some of the same repeating icons that we saw in the bits and pieces. Then we have the sticker sheet for the Take Note collection. I love all the wordy bits on the Simple Stories collection, so I definitely will use those. I see another camera, really cute. A lot of the repeating elements again. So let's take a look at the paper. Again, this is the Simple Stories Take Note collection. I'm going to try to make it here so we can see both sides. So here we have a grid with some florals, and then like a checkerboard in navy blue, gorgeous floral prints, and then black and white florals on the back. And I love cameras, and we have a whole sheet of cameras on here, and then some like little cards on the back. And then here's a fun design with all these bright fun colors and like a graph paper on the back, another floral sheet. And then on the back, we've got a yellow grid. We have a black and white polka dot paper. I love when there's black and white in collections. And then on the back, we've got this design, and then a whole sheet here of butterflies. Those are pretty, with some vintage writing. Then we've got a sheet of pencils. And then on the back, there's this teal polka dot paper. We've got a full tag sheet. Now I see a camera on here. I might try to fussy cut that out. I love that polka dot one. And then on the back, it's so you can journal. And then here's the journaling pieces. So you can cut this apart and journal on these. Super cute. But on the back, what I like is it's just a floral design. So if you don't want to use the journaling bits, you could always flip it over and use the florals. And then here's the 3x4 cut aparts. There's another camera, and hey, hey, hey. And I love that pink polka dot. I think that's my favorite. Little moments, big memories. That's cute too. A clipboard. And then on the back, if you don't want to use those, you've got a floral design. And then here's the 4x6 cut aparts. And these are super cute, but I am going to definitely use this side. So that was a really quick unboxing, but I just wanted to give you a glimpse of what's inside the My Creative Scrapbook main kit. There's other kits available on the website. There's the limited edition kit, which is more like a vintage style. There's a creative kit and an album kit. Be sure to like this video and subscribe because I will be sharing my creations all throughout the month. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. If you have any questions at all, leave them down below and I would be happy to answer those. Thanks. Bye, guys.